Hey guys, what's going on? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer, here from Jacksonville, Florida. I want to come to you to cut this quick video because I wanted to share with you a way that you can grow your business for free, really using Facebook, and it's not your Facebook profile or it's not your fan page. It's Facebook groups. That's why I wanted to entitle this video "How to Grow Your Business Using Facebook Groups." But before I do get into that, I want to remind you that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe to my channel and also click that little bell so that you're notified of any new videos that I put out. And as a reminder, this channel is basically for those that are in the home business arena, those that may be home business entrepreneurs, whether you're in internet marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing, and looking for tips, tricks, and things that you can use to grow your business. Also things that you can use to get inspired and grow your mindset to grow your business as big as you want to grow it. So again, I entitled the video "How to Grow Your Business Using Facebook Groups," and I'm actually here on my personal Facebook page, and I'm going to show you how you can find the groups that you can actually market in, and I'm going to do a little bit of marketing myself to show you how I actually market in groups as well. So let's get started. So I'm going to go up here at the top here of my Facebook page and go down to where it says New Groups. And as you can see, to kind of give you an indication, because I've actually joined some groups before I did this video. So if we go down, it'll show you, probably give you an option where you can discover groups. I would say look for groups or search for groups if you haven't already, like this right here, like work from home. Other groups like, I'm going to go down a little bit here. Any other groups here that we have here? Or like post ads with us, or advertise your business, or even like groups that I'm already a part of. If you go to my current groups, they'll show you all of my current groups that I'm a part of. And these are basically the Facebook groups. I'm coming down here of the groups that I can post like business stuff in. So you see Promote Your Business Group, biggest Facebook group. Number 2, business opportunities. Here's another group, advertise your business here, network marketing, MLM USA, promote here for affiliate network, affiliate marketing, network marketing. So, and then this is my list of groups. These are all a list of groups that I'm in. Some of these are just things that I'm in, like a super affiliate network. That's not a group you would post in, but make money online, MLM. Advertise your business opportunity, make money online, ad from home. So just look for groups like that around, multi-level marketing, earn money online, and you can go and basically request to join these groups. So I want to see if I can find one for you and show you how to do it. So I'm going to go back to Discover. And say, for instance, if I want to join this group right here, I'm just going to click join, and that's it. And then you should probably get a notification probably that day, or maybe probably the very next day or thereafter, from the person that actually is over that group to allow you to, be a part of that group. But let me show you just real quickly here how once you have these groups, and I've been doing this for a little bit as far as a group, so I'm a part of like almost 200 different marketing groups on Facebook. So these are the groups right here. Again, these are all the groups that I'm a part of on Facebook right now. And again, like I said, it's probably about almost 200 different groups, but these are just different groups that you can market your opportunity in, or your affiliate program in, or your network marketing opportunity in. Now, I'm going to show you a way that I do it, and I'm going to kind of post it into 2 or 3 groups here for you. So if you go into this first group, This is the first group here. Promote your business group here. And if you look here, it says that you can promote your business here. You can rent this group large photo space for your direct banner. You're not really concerned about that. But just notice that if you come in here and you look in this group, you'll see there's an option where it says you can advertise, promote, sell anything you want, basically in the group. So if you go through and look at this, you'll see other entrepreneurs, home business owner advertising and putting their videos or their things about their business in the group here. So if you just look down some more, just kind of give you an example, sharing your information, and then most oftentimes they'll say either you can message me if you want to get started, or sometimes you'll see some folks that will leave links. I'm going to find one that actually left a link for you that you can kind of look at and see how to get started. So here's someone of the YouTube video. Actually, I know Ebony Cruz, so pretty cool. But I think you probably get the gist of it, of how you can do it. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to post something for one of my affiliate programs that I promote. So I'm actually going to go here and do this. If I can get it to work. Okay, here we go. So I already have a picture already. I pre-did that before I did the video. So, and then I'm actually doing this today promoting. So this is me. You see me live here doing it right now for you guys. And then I'm going to come down here and I'm going to paste my message. So tonight there's a webinar for one of my affiliate programs where there's going to be someone teaching on YouTube on how to grow your YouTube subscribers. And he's growing his YouTube subscribers up to about 224,000, probably almost 225,000. And I'm doing this to promote that. So I already have a little snippet of content that I put up here. Told you tonight at 9 p.m. His story, tells you more about it, and tells you to click below to click the link. So here's the thing: is when you're posting your opportunity, whether it be in affiliate marketing or network marketing, you don't want to be too salesy. I would say give it, when you post it, do it as a solution. Do it as you're trying to do it as a solution to a problem that you're trying to address. Don't do it just to be posted and do it as a salesperson. Kind of, you don't want to seem salesy in here. You want to seem like you're somebody that's maybe a leader that knows what they're talking about, and that's just not trying to make a quick buck. So this is mine. So this is kind of, you can see what this is here, but I'm going to go ahead and post this. And here's the thing, there will be, not all the time is there's going to be someone that's going to respond to your ad, but you will get people that like it, that when they comment on it. And this is what I suggest too, is that if you look here, this is a link to one of my lead capture pages. And if you don't know what a lead capture page is, you can do a search on YouTube, and maybe I'll do a study, or I'll do a video on lead capture pages if you're not sure. But have a lead capture page, a way that you can capture the person that comes to your website. So, for example, when this person clicks this link here, they go to my page about registering for the webinar, and they click register here. Now they can leave their name and their email address, and they become a lead for me. They're actually on my email list. Remember, in previous videos, I talked about growing your business with your email list. So that's simple. That's how you grow your business using Facebook groups. It's a really simple way to do it. Always make sure you want to put a little excerpt, maybe talk about maybe your product and what it can do and maybe how it can help them. But you always want to leave a little link to one of your websites, a website that can leave their name, it can leave their email address, or even leave their phone number if you want them to leave their phone number so that you can reach out to them. I think if the best way to get a lot of traction into this is that if you post in, not only just one group, but if you post in maybe 10 groups or 20 groups or 30 groups or as many as you can. Now, I will mind you just to be very careful with this technique. Facebook can, in some groups, it can be a little bit. Facebook can be a little bit temperamental. So be careful with this. Watch it. You don't want Facebook to see that, think that you're a spammer. But just use it in discretion. But just play around with it if you want to grow your business using Facebook groups. I hope you got value from this video, guys. Again, if you got value, like the video, share the video, and leave me a comment too. Let me know what you think. All right, guys. God bless you.